Oskar Madze, well, the goal is to move the cross from these positions. Okay, here, circle, circle, and like you can see a circle, to these positions. We have a square here, another square here, and another square here. Like you can see, each side of the cube has a Madze. There are 3 different Madze. Top and bottom are the same. Front and back are the same but different from the top. Right and left are the same but different from this one and different from this one. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, I think the first move maybe will be like that. Can go down, come back, turn up, down. I can go up. Let's see. Like that, can go up. Okay, that's the first square, but I need also to put the cross on the 2 other square. Okay, now I need to go this way, maybe. Oh, here I'm stuck. Go like that. Okay, where? Here like that. Can go up, back. Okay, no, not yet in the square. Okay. Need to go down. Okay, a little up. Up. Oh, square. Okay. I got it. We get the square, and the square. No, we need to go back the other way. No, we need to go back to the original positions. Let's see. Okay, not too fast here. Oops. Okay, like that. Things go. Ah, yeah, I missed some things here. Okay, like that. This way, I think. Like that. Can go up. Like that. Let's see, up. No. No, that's correct. Let's see. I think I have to go down. Somewhere. Okay, like that. Okay, that's the first circle. As a second, so I need to move the road to reach this one. Okay, let's see. Go like that. No. Oh, one is not moving here. Should move for some reason. It's okay. When we are done, circle, circle, and circle. Puzzle solved both ways. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe if it's not already done, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.